Hey, Miss Arkin Chickabok. Arkin Chickabok, would you please sing a song?
Oh, yes, I will. I sure will. So I went down to market and went to the
Moon.
went to the moon after that. And then I picked up some groceries on Mars.
Woo!
Oh, where it fell! Oh gosh! Hey dog!
Are you okay, Miss Arkin Chickabok?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna be okay.
Miss Arkin Chickabok, what country are you from again?
I am from the country. Wakaluna.
Arkin Chickabok, what is so funny about our interview today?
Well, I still know. Stop. Okay, thanks guys. I got to interview Miss Arkin Chickabok today.